Hello students, today we are going to start our already we have started the first chapter. In the previous video I had explained till question number 3. So today we will solve question number 4. So students, yesterday I had told you to go through the introduction of the chapter. So I think all of you have gone through the introduction of the chapter. Now today we will start question number 4. So in question number 4, what we have to do, we have to check if the following are equivalent. So whether the two fractions are equivalent or not, whether the two rational numbers are equivalent or not, we have to find that. So first question is minus 7 by 11, 49 by minus 77. So student, here one thing you can see here, that the minus sign is at the place of denominator. Here 49 by minus 77. So first we will write it in standard form. We have to keep the minus sign at the place of numerator, not the denominator. So we will write it like this: minus 7 by 11 minus 49 by 77. Now for check, we need to check here that whether the given two rational numbers are equivalent or not, just we have to do the cross multiplication, and if the products are same, then we can say that they are equivalent, and if the products are not same, then they are not equivalent. So let's do minus 7 into 77 equals to what will you get. You can do rough work also, or you can also multiply it mentally. 7 7s are 49, carrying 4. 7 7s are 49 and 4 53. And minus sign also we are having, so we have to put here minus sign. Now next one is minus 49 into 11. So minus 49 into 11, let's multiply it in rough. Minus 49 into 11, you do 1 9s are 9, 1 4s are 4, 1 9s are 9, 1 4s are 4. Now 9, now you add it, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 4 and 1, 5. So we have to, we have also got here 539. So you write here 539, and as one of the integer is a negative, so that's why we have to put here minus sign. Now you can see that both the products are same. Both the products are same. Minus 7 into 77 we have done. We have got minus 539. Minus 49 into 11 we have done, and we have got minus 539. So both the products are same. So we can say that therefore minus 7 by 11 and 49 by minus 77 are equivalent. So like the similar way, the rest of the two questions also you have to do. So these two questions you will do by yourself. Now come to question number 5. Write the equivalent rational numbers for minus 2 by 7 with the following denominators. That means here we have to form a rational number which is equivalent to minus 2 by 7 and whose denominator should also be minus 28 in the first question, and this in the second one the denominator should be 49. So I am solving the first number question, and after that according to that only, and similarly you have to solve question number 2. So here it is minus 2 by 7, and we have to form a rational number which is equivalent to minus 2 by 7, and its denominator should be also minus 28. So at the place of denominator I'll write here minus 28, and at the place of numerator you can keep any variable like a, b, c, x, y, z, anything you can keep. I am keeping here x. Now so next what we have to do, how we have to solve. In the earlier classes also I had explained how you have to solve here. We have to do the cross multiplication here. So x into 7 if you will do, then what it will be, 7 into x equals to minus 2. So one thing more I want to say here, that we have not kept this minus sign at the place of numerator, so we have to keep it at the place of numerator to write it in standard form. So you write it like this. minus 2 by 7 equals to minus x by 28. Now you do the cross multiplication. So 7 into minus x we have to do, and here minus 2 into 28. Now 7 into minus x equals to minus 7x, minus 2 into 28. You keep it, don't multiply, then it will be easy for us to calculate. So now we will change the place of 7. So when 7 will come to RHS, 7 will be here and minus sign. So now with now we have to cancel. Let us check whether the 7 and 28 are having the common factor or not. So yes, 7 and 28 are having the common factor. So let us cancel. 7, here it will be minus 1, and here it will be 4. Now minus and minus will get cancelled. Now x equals to what? 2 into 4 by 1. X equals to 2 4s are 8. So we have got the value of x. Therefore minus 2 by 7 equals to 8 by minus 28. Okay. So like the similar way, the second number question you have to solve. Now here students, come to question number 6. Here what we have to do, express the following as rational number. Let me put the number here. It was one number of 5. So we have to express the rational number with the positive denominator. So it is also very easy. 7 by minus 8 it is here. We have to express this rational number with positive denominator. So how will you make its denominator positive? Just by multiplying with minus 1, both the numerator and the denominator. So you have to write here 7 by minus 8 into minus 1 into minus 1. Now you multiply it. 7 into minus 1, if you will do, what will you get? Minus 7. And minus 8 into minus 1, if you will do, what will you get? 8. So this is our answer. Like the similar way, just with minus 1 we have to multiply both the numerators and the denominators, then we will get the standard form, as well as the minus sign from the denominator will be get removed. So that's all for today, students. So 3 questions I have explained today. So in homework you have to do question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 1.1, because already I think all of you have solved question number 1, 2 and 3. So today in homework you have to do question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, that's all for today.